Okay guys, here comes Amtrak San Joaquin train 712. That is your eastbound, then southbound train headed to Bakersfield. NPCU 9218. The Venter Siemens car set on this one, F59PHI 2010. Alright, there goes off your Amtrak San Joaquin train 712 heading off to Bakersfield. Continues on to Martinez, Antioch, Pittsburgh, Stockton, Modesto, Turlock, Denier, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Hanford, Corcoran, Wasco, and then final stop Bakersfield would be your Amtrak bus connections towards Los Angeles. Live here at Bayfront Park East Bay Trail, guys, here in Pinole. Thank you all for watching, and I am out till next time. See ya.